What's going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to do a button animation in Figma, and then we will implement it in a follow-up video in Webflow. So it's a side project I'm on, and you see this button animation, which is pretty cool. And so we will implement that. And so in Figma here, let me come over here. I'm going to hit F for frame. Just going to make a frame here. And this is just so we can do the prototype later so you can see it in action. We'll just call it, I don't know, button animation. And then I will hit T for text. And we'll say sign up. And it's the smallest text ever. So let me, I guess 20 pixels isn't that small. Just zoom in a bit. So with this text box selected, we will do Shift A to apply auto layout. I feel like it was not added. I don't know what's happening here. Select Shift A. There we go. And then let's see. I want to edge these corners. So I'll come to this corner radius, hold Option, and then we need a border to see what we're doing there. So this stroke here, add black. There we go. And now back on this corner radius, holding Option. Let's move it all the way to the right. And then let's do some horizontal padding. Option, give it some space there. That's looking good. And we will call this frame button default. And then let's see, I'm going to hit O to make a little circle here because this is what will animate from the bottom of the button. I'm going to hold Shift to make it equal width and height. We'll just say 17 by 17, just something small. Fill, we will turn that to black. And then let's see, with this button we want to add, we're going to bring that circle into here, but we're going to do this up here, absolute position, and then we want to bring it to the center and just below the button. And so we can see it's still in the same frame, so that's good. I did have an issue when I was trying this a previous time. It was going outside of the frame, and if you're having that issue, you can just adjust the Y here and bring it down, and it'll stay in the frame when you do that. But looks like we are good to go there. So this is kind of the button default, and then we'll show it on hover, and then we'll create the animation for that. So I'm going to hold Option and move that over to duplicate it. And before I do that, actually, Command Z to undo. We have this absolute position. We're going to also do clip content, and so that's going to hide this circle because it's outside of this container, this frame. So now we will duplicate it. And so this is our default, and then this one we'll just call button hover. And so for this one, let's see, let's select that circle, and then I'm going to hit K to scale it up a bit. And then we'll just kind of bring that over. Looks like you can make it a little bigger here. There we go. I'm going to select the sign up. I'm going to hit V to get out of the scale mode. And let's see, the fill, we will turn that text to white. And then I'm going to hit the right bracket to bring that up a layer, bring it up front so we can see the text there. And so we kind of got our before and our after, or like on hover. And so now we can select all of that. And then click here and go to Create Components Set. Go to Prototype up here. And then let's see, select a button, drag it over to this button. It'll say on click there. We can change that to while hovering. And then, yeah, it's going over to button hover. That's this one. That looks good. And we can just say smart animate, ease out 300 milliseconds. Sure, sounds good. Can adjust that if needed, but zoom out a bit. Click on this button animation, and then click this play here for the prototype. And I still have to bring the button out of the component here. Hold on. So I'm going to do Option on this one here. Let's kind of bring this out. It's like an instance of the component. And now if we view our prototype here, we see the animation. So that circle gets bigger, then we change the text color. And it's pretty much the best animation I've ever seen in my entire life. So, okay, so that's how you do the animation in Figma. And then in the next video, we will implement that in Webflow. So I'll show you how to do it there too. I hope that was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. See you.